Hello, and we are here at the beautiful Biltmore Estate, and I have a treat for you guys. This is Lizzie Borchers, class of 2008 from
2008.
Texas A&M University, and she works here at the Biltmore and is responsible for all of the beautiful floral displays. So, Lizzie, tell us a little bit about your experience, how you got started in floral design.
So I grew up loving history, and my mom was a master gardener actually. And kind of when I decided, was looking at what I wanted to do and what I wanted to study, I was in love with Biltmore, and I really kind of picked that out as my dream job. But I'd started doing floral in high school and had a great mentor who had gone to Texas A&M and really encouraged me. So my great vision of blending those two loves was Biltmore, history and doing floral and plants.
Awesome. So, tell me a little bit about your title and what you do here at the Biltmore.
I'm the floral manager here, so I have a team that is responsible for all of the plants in the house. We do all of the arrangements. We work with brush, both silk, dried, fresh. We do a lot of cutting on the estate. We're lucky to have 8,000 acres. It used to be 125,000. It's now 8,000 to cut from. So we go out every week and we get to cut greenery and things to use in our designs. But we are really here to interpret the house and add a lived-in feel that really, to me, transforms the room. When you get to see plants and floral, it just enhances the surroundings.
Okay, you guys, it's so beautiful, and I will post some pictures of the Biltmore Estate. But you're getting ready for Christmas already, and Lizzie told me that's kind of a year-round experience, right? How many trees? And give us a little snapshot of the scope of what Christmas is like at the Biltmore.
Yes, we do work on it year-round. Last year, as we were taking down Christmas, we were already planning this year to be. We've learned that the key is to be really organized when you're doing this many trees. We decorate usually anywhere between 50 and 65 trees in Biltmore House, and we do another 50 across the property in other buildings. So we're every year putting up over 100 trees, and that can range from small tabletop trees to our largest is inside is the 35-foot banquet hall tree, which is a fresh tree. We do have a 55-foot Norway spruce that goes on the front lawn, but it starts kind of the end of September and takes us a good month to get this whole house decorated.
Wow.
But it's fun. We love being the little Christmas elves.
That is so awesome. So, if there were some students that were junior master gardeners and said, "That's what I want to do when I grow up," what kinds of things would you suggest to students interested in floral design to kind of help prepare them to have a cool, fun job like yours?
Yeah, absolutely. So, at least, especially when I'm hiring folks for my team, I love to find people who, first off, just have a passion for it. So, I think if you love it, it comes out in what you do. But get out there and get involved in what there is in your community to do with floral. Which there's such a broad range of things that you can do within the horticulture field, and so.
Did you take floral design in high school?
Not in high. Well, I did take one class in high school, but
Okay.
I was already at that point working in a shop after school. So
So experience, you guys, being able to have that
yeah,
experience.
I
is a
always
good
tell
thing.
people that flowers is all I know. That because it's all I've done and because it's what I love, and I think when you love what you do, you never work a day in your life, and so I feel that way here for sure.
That is awesome. And you guys, she was recognized for the College of Ag and Life Sciences as one of our outstanding alumni for her work, which is a huge honor. And I'm just so thrilled that we get to be here at the Biltmore and share a little bit of the beauty that Lizzie and her team have put together to make this spectacular place even more beautiful. So, Lizzie, thank you so much. Any last little, the most interesting project you've ever worked on here?
Oh my
A
goodness.
fun trivia something.
I think just learning about the rooms that we work in always makes working in them really interesting.
How many bedrooms? To give the size of the estate, how many bedrooms? rooms or bathrooms are in the?
Yeah, so there's 45 guest bedrooms, which doesn't include the servants' bedrooms. 65 fireplaces. My whole condo could fit just in George Vanderbilt's bedroom. Um, so I think even walking through this, you don't even really realize the scale of it. It is the largest home in the United States, and honestly, the next largest does not even come close to touching the size of this place.
Right.
It's a record not likely to ever be beaten, and so it's really, really special to get to be in here every day. I always say I feel so lucky to get to do what I get to do where I get to do it.